Bike rack report. What do we have going on in assembly today? Looks like we have majority of 20s, a couple of 18-inch kids, 20 BMX freestyle, 24, 26, 29. These are pretty much covered unless they want to squeeze a couple in right here. And we have a total to build today: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20s, and 24s and 26. You can do a split of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can do 5 of each of those, and then maybe 3 multi-speed 26, 29s, disc brakes, and suspensions. Let's contact an authorized authority and see what they would like to have done. Day in assembly. All bikes complete, all brakes are tight, all pedals are secure, all handlebars secure, seat secure. No issue except for one bike, which will be this one here. Front pad calipers are on too tight right here, causing friction on the rim. Contact QA and see if they're gonna be able to come and look at it. Other than that, a good day in assembly. All bikes built, and all bikes brakes test good. Most importantly are the brakes. You will be able to stop once you apply your brakes. And the handlebars are secure, so if you have to make a quick turn, and all your tires are properly to specs. So flat tires can cause you to crash your bike. So all tests good.